Hello, everyone. Welcome to the preview of the Pacifica United Ministry podcast. I am thrilled to have you join us today. My name is Surleigh, and I'm excited to guide you through our journey of understanding hermeneutics and its significance in our lives. To give you a bit about my background, I hold a Bachelor's of Science in Management Information Systems from Azusa Pacific University, where I also earned my Master's in Divinity. I am currently in my third year as a Ph.D. student in Bible Exposition at Liberty University. Over the last 12 years, I've been dedicated to online ministry and sharing insights through Facebook and my YouTube channel. Additionally, I have authored three books, with my latest publication, The Age of Optimal Health, released in 2022. As someone deeply invested in biblical studies, I firmly believe in the importance of continually exploring Scripture. The deeper I delve, the more questions I encounter, which humbly reminds me of what vast knowledge yet to be discovered. This humility fuels my passion to learn and grow in faith. You might wonder, why should you tune into this podcast? With my extensive experience in academia and practical ministry, I've gathered valuable insights into the art of biblical interpretations. My goal is to make these insights accessible and help you apply them meaningfully in your own life. Whether you are a seasoned Bible student or just curious about the scripture, I invite you to explore this profound truth alongside me. Please, for a preview, let's preview what is yet to come. Podcast series subtitle: Decoding the Text: Hermeneutics for Everyday Life. There are 12 episodes in this first series. From episode 1, What on Earth is Hermeneutics, through episode 12, wrap up life of interpretation. Let's preview episode 1. There are three segments in this episode 1. Segment 1, the art of skilled interpretation. Segment 2, consequences of misinterpretation. And segment 3 of episode 1, hermeneutics beyond theology. Segment 1, let's look at segment 1, the art of skilled interpretation. The introduction, we will introduce the focus, and there are three subpoints: understanding the text, contextual analysis, and applying hermeneutical approaches. We will also analyze this flowchart so we can better understand the concept of hermeneutics. Segment 2, consequences of misinterpretation. We'll look at a case study of these two individuals, and then we'll look at personal and com- communal repercussions, and then we'll also look at what to avoid, especially with this misinterpretation. Then we'll conclude that segment, and then we'll run into the segment 3, hermeneutics beyond theology. There are 3 points that we will cover: hermeneutics in everyday decision, enhances communication, understanding, and practical applications and benefits. Then segment 3 concludes episode 1. And I thank you for joining us in this preview of what is yet to come. Please stay tuned for more information. In the meantime, take blessings.